Barrel sneeze here. Sneeze monster. Yo, you heard? Sneeze monster. What's good, YouTube? Barrel Sneeze here, back with another reaction video. Today I'm reacting to some old videos that I used to do and record. Nothing crazy. Videos I was back in like 2012, 2013, I guess. I don't know, but we're gonna see what these about. I ain't see these in like 2 years, 3 years I ain't see these, so let's watch this together. Hookah now, hookah. Before we get started, I want y'all to like, subscribe, and comment. Right? Let's get right to these videos. My boy Clyde, Billy Rags. Make a big screen. Oh, he about to dance. Let's see what he got. Let's see his moves.
Get smacked silly, you get smacked silly. What you from the, what you go when you ready? Cause I was born ready, and I was already on bitches spaghetti.
Okay.
With the culture, rap
On the chair getting crazy.
Woo!
Chair. Look at the leg work.
I see the big picture. If it's to get richer, I probably get richer. If not burning, not like the furnace. Shoot the video. City permits, we own the city. On the phone with Diddy, rap on pretty. When she get around like the sucker on, put it in the video. You wanna holler, got to follow. Get your chick, train up this. Won't reach out, and you better won't listen. To my whole wardrobe, listen. Listen, make this money.
Chill.
Take this money.
Chill.
Ain't no way you can take this money.
Chill. Chill.
Take it, money. Take it, money. Now let's get it. Read what you thinking.
Check that. My boy Billy got moves, man. Y'all don't know Billy, I know Billy. I did the smash and pass with him. My boy got moves. My stupid ass was doing here. See what my stupid ass is doing here.
Run the niggas down, then they cruise. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot.
Baggy gray tee, baggy gray sweats. Who I thought I was?
But bitch, I'm Bobby with that toy.
Woo! Look at the moves though.
Run up on them, act a fool. Make sure I hit you, you and you. Got the drop.
I was
I live
slimmer
what they
too.
lose.
Ooh, look at the footwork.
This man down in front of school. And we still trapping like some fools. Bitch, I've been trapping up since elementary school. Tell my teacher suck a dick, I'm selling food.
Woo!
I tell my teacher suck a dick, I'm selling food. And free my dick.
Yo, think about that. That house that I was in, my house caught on fire, right? Not that house, my house caught on fire. So they had to put us in a temporary house, temporary apartment actually, and I had to sleep in the living room. And I had like a full-time bed, you saw it, but that was the worst. I think we was there for like almost a year. Well, how long I was there, I was bored doing videos. I ain't like it there. Let's see what's next. Let's see. See what else I got in here. I'm gonna show this one last. I'm gonna show that one last. These are the videos I'm gonna go to this real quick. These are the videos I shoot with my. See, look at that. That was bad. These had an AC though, but that was bad time. That was bad time. Let me see my moves, cause I can't dance. Look at this sweatsuit. Baggy. He had red ups. Red ups. I always had grays. I always had gray bottoms. Oh, chill. Woo! Hold on. I said hold on. He said hold on. Look. Oh, he threw the hat. Footwork. Oh, snap the floor. Woo! Smack the floor again. I ain't done. Yeah, I was trash. Oh, he pulled up. He ain't done. Oh. That peep I fell. That ain't peep I fell though, right? I couldn't dance, man. I ain't gonna lie, I couldn't dance. Let me see this. See this one. Oh, this one, I think this one I taught myself how to Harlem Shake. I think this one I taught myself how to Harlem Shake. I think my fault. I think this one I taught my twin brother how to Harlem Shake.
Stop. Turn that on.
Man, I was slim. Okay, you learn quick. I saw you learn quick, bud. It's trash. Let me know that was trash. 5,000. I had triplets. It was 3 of us. Yo, before this video play, see how it's 3 boxes, right? I think it's a Tone Wop, chicken noodle soup, do for the ladies. Wait, Tone Wop, bad one. Harlem Shake. Chicken noodle soup, Harlem Shake, bad one. I don't know, but I know I couldn't do the bad one. That's why I ain't put them here. Watch, y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see like that. They like, I don't know how to do it, but y'all gonna see. Watch. Look, nobody know how I do it. Woo! Look at him up there, yo, grab his hat. He bodied it. Now up there is Val. On the up top is Val. That's Val. Over here, click on the left. I guess the left. I don't know where the white shirt down here. That's Val. That's Val. That's Val Money. Val Money really. You feel me? He eats chicken noodle soup and all that. But Val Sneeze, he gets busy. Val Sneeze gets busy. That was Val Sneeze. Now, let's see the one that I wanted to see. This was Val Money and Val Sneeze. I think they was messing with the same girl, I think they messed with the same girl. This time. Let's see. Let's just watch this. I need both from hats. I don't got none of them hats. I need both from hats.
She stand about 5'4", she drive like a Rango, nice and place say angel, not to on her aim, but she's making pace. Got a crib on Peachtree, right on 17th Street, and I call her TT.
Wait a minute, hold on, dog. Do she got a kid?
Yes, they do. Yeah.
Do she got a booty on the outside of her mouth?
How you know that?
Yeah.
He turns his hat backwards.
And I can't believe this shit.
Damn. Tell me what's wrong, dog. What the hell you telling about?
Yo, he really got mad. Watch.
And I can't believe this shit.
Damn. Tell me what's wrong, dog. What the hell you telling about?
Oh, I should have kept one of his back in the
Just
day.
say what's on your mind.
Man, I didn't know that you were talking about her.
So maybe you telling me you know
Who I know her like a path.
I should have kept doing videos back in the day. I would have had 2 million subscribers. But yeah, that's a couple of videos I wanted to look at. A couple of videos I used to do when I was bored back then. Let me know if y'all want to see some more videos. I got a lot. Let me know if y'all want to see some more of me reacting to some old videos. But like and subscribe and comment. Ring that bell. Subscribe to Val Sneeze. Come on, give me my views. I need my views up. Come on, get more subscribers. Give me to 150. Sneeze Meister. But yeah, Sneeze Meister is out. Thank you.